morning. So we are heading to Mount Pilatus today. So Martinov, we are going to take a train and then we are going to get into the cogwheel train, which is the steepest train ever. So stay tuned. I won't film everything about the train now. I'm going to see you directly there. So once you get down, leave from Luzern or Martinov, you get down at this station. Okay, Samhi is the train for Pilatus, cogwheel train. So when you come here, see, this is the world's steepest cogwheel railway. ये aunty uncle जो भी हट नहीं रहा. So you have this Pilatus band. There are some restaurants around, very pretty. And ये स्टेशन से बाहर निकलते तुरंत से ही है. So one suggestion is you can reserve yourself a ticket. So यहाँ के भी ticket ले सकते. There is another one reserved. Reservation में seat is not guaranteed. But why you should get it is because अगर you are coming in a peak season like we are, it's always better to get reservation or else wait करना पड़ेगा तुम्हारे turn के लिए to get on the train. So we got that and it was 5 CHF per ticket. Look how steep that train is. So this is the entrance. Look at the flowers. Pilatus it is, you guys. Then you queue up and these are the waiting views. Beautiful, no? This is the guide. It's been over 15 minutes that ये लोग ये सब stack up कर रहे हैं.
अचानक 50% टैरिफ मारेंगे.
So yeah.
अचानक एम्पर
इसलिए सब कुछ इतना एक्सपेंसिव होता है.
मम्मी फटफट अंदर कैसी हो
So you actually get into the train. This is what it is like. Wow, so pretty.
इंटरनल असे प्राइवेट
Wow, so we are 7,000 feet up. Let's enter. So from the moment you enter, it is all pretty.
हाँ यहाँ थी जान उसे आपने.
So you can buy different brochures. So we have different brochures. And there is adventure guides. It's in English and German both. So you can help yourself. There are a lot of activities also to do, but I'm going to get back to that super soon. Thanks. Let's get going. It's mom enjoying Khakra with a view. So that's my brother navigating the map. And I'm just going to stand and see what he's doing. Because when he's around, I don't have to figure out. You are so not ready from what I'm going to show you. This is bomb. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We are now hiking at the top for good views and so excited for it all. I'm sure it's going to be fun. Look at the views. Wow, look at that. The train and this beer.
His family is coming too. Yeah. Both families are coming. So you have to.
Et vous 1424.
વોટર બોડીની બિલકુલ બાજુ તો એ ત્યાં શું બનાવતી હશે
There is another hike which is 10 minutes up. Faces the restaurant and this beautiful view. Look at this view. So the first clips I showed you, हम वहाँ खड़े थे जहाँ वो चेयर वेयर थी एंड देन यहाँ नीचे आके वी हाइक्ड. ये देखो नज़ारा है कितनी सुंदर. I don't think I'm going to be able to post like one vlog about one day because each place is so pretty. I cannot stop taking videos. Look at that.
સિએટલમાં રહેવા કરતો
જઈશ ને પણ મને આઉટ છે, જેન્યુઅનલી આઉટ છે.
તો પછી આવી જા અને યુટર્ન એ બધે જઈ આવ.
Wow. You can also access information from here. And now we are headed to these caves. More or less view similar hoga, but just for the experience we are going to go there. So yep, wow. Naina sundar. Cutie. Acha. So this is the cave that you pass through. Look at this. Very damp and cold cave it is. कुछ देर पहले हम वहाँ थे टॉप पे and now we are on this viewpoint. Look at the views. So worth it. Wow. So natural. So after you walk here, यहाँ पे either you can go up or then there is this, and then at the end of the tunnel, look at that. It's all like moistury right now, and full of caves. There's water dripping everywhere, and it's so cold. Wow! Just look at this. Wow. Oh, is that a restaurant? I don't know. Crazy. Oh, so look at that train. Okay, so we were always on the top of that side and now we are on the other side. We are on another hiking trail. Ye dekh lo. And this is what the depth looks like. very steep. Very steep. Damn. Challenges your glutes for sure. And this is the view. It brings us to. Look at that. This is so crazy. I'm so amazed. So freaking amazed. देखो गंडोला उसमें ही जाएंगे. So if you're planning for this place, right, घाई मत करना. This is my big time suggestion. Do not rush. हो सके तो give a full day to this place. Why? Because you can really spend a lot of time here if you are into physically rewarding activities like hiking, walking the trails. जैसे हम 3-4 जगह चढ़ चुके already. So it's on you, okay? But if you're only about कि cogwheel try करना है and वापस आ जाना है, then half day is okay. We think कि ये time भी कम है. We could actually spend a whole damn day here. So that's my suggestion. Of course यहाँ पे तो summer में ही आ सकते हो ये experiences के लिए. Winter में it is closed. Rocks on one side, views on the other. So we now get into this big gondola. Look at that. Oh! We got our place. Crazy. So this thing fills up. Marilyn. Bye bye, beautiful one. हम जो स्टॉप पे उतरे, इट्स एन इंटरमीडियरी स्टॉप एंड इस इंटरमीडियरी स्टॉप से यू कैन आइदर टेक द नेक्स्ट गंडोला टू द बेस और यू कैन एन्जॉय सम एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज़ हियर. सो सी दे आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. इट्स वेरी हैपनिंग. बट हमको ना कार वाला करना है, द रोलर कोस्टर. इट्स द लॉन्गेस्ट वन इन द स्विट्ज़रलैंड. सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर दैट. लेट्स होप कि वेट टाइम ज़्यादा ना हो, बट आई एम गोना लेट यू नो हाउ वर्थ इज इट. आई हैव डन दिस इन सम अदर कंट्री. आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग आई हैव डन दिस इन सिंगापुर. सो आई एम एक्साइटेड टू डू इट अगेन. So pretty. क्या दुनिया है यार, क्या दुनिया है. हाँ, ये नहीं तो क्या चाहिए. This is what I really want. I don't think I can pursue this full time, but maybe that's why I also want to work, because I want to grow within my corporate ladder, but also see the world, and I want to make it possible. So I'm gonna do it. वहाँ जा रहे, देखो छोटा कार. How beautiful is this? है ये टफ है, वो स्टीप लंबा है. It makes you gas out, but it's doable. Nothing complicated. यहाँ पे बैठ के you can watch. If you don't want to come, you can sit here, वॉच, ये वो देखो, ये आज दिख रहा है, पानी है. वाह, आई लव माई फोन. Wow. Okay, let's get the tickets and let's do this mountain coaster. Dekho. So this is the kiosk. You have to get your tickets now. I'm showing you. You select your, put your card, you are done. By the way, यहाँ पे handbags, caps, nothing is allowed. क्यों? रील देखते देखते गिर ना जाए. They are very very particular about the safety and they're like, you're not supposed to. So that's that. No? So after the ride you can come to the kiosk and you can choose your picture. जैसे कि this is my dad. And then you can get it printed for 5 CHL. Look at me. So mine is paid. So now it's the wait time. It's very cute, guys. Print is in progress. Dekho. So, I got it. I got it. Look at that. Wow. Pretty. ये है photo. This is Switzerland's longest. Wow. Yes, a girl did it, guys. A girl did it. So, let's talk. यहाँ पे ना phone ले जाना allowed नहीं है. I don't know how these Instagrammers shoot all of these, but your hands are strictly supposed to be on handle, or else there is a charge of 100 Swiss franc, which is a lot of money. So, phone तो नहीं लेके गई थी मैं, but kiosk से photo तो ले ली, and एक दो clips मेरे भाई ने पीछे से खींचे थे, when I left. It was bomb experience. Please do this. It's bomb. Now from this point, it's not the bigger gondola, it's the smaller gondolas and 443 people can sit here. So we got down from the gondola. अभी हम एक bus, we are walking to the nearest bus station. अब bus लेके we are going to see the Lion Monument. Battery बहुत कम हो रही है, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film. So stay tuned. Yep. Views are still beautiful. Can't get over it. We got down from the bus. अब चल रहा है towards Lion Monument. So we are here. Oh my God! Look how pretty, but so crowded. Oh, here's the lion. Look at the lion. Wow. Wow, look at this street now. So our initial plan was to go to Chaff Bridge. सोच रहे कि वो Chapel Bridge के पास ही है, मतलब Chapel Bridge वाला ही वे है. So now we are planning to go to some old town. So that's the plan. Let's see. ये देख के तो बहुत खुशी मिलती है कि पानी की बोतल रीफिल हो जाएगी. Actually, I never get tired during travels, but I think my feet somewhere is hurting now. It's like some area of my feet is giving me a kind of a pain sensation. But we're gonna keep going because new places. So this is a tower and you have to climb up. Okay, so we're gonna climb. It has very steep steps. Look at that. If this gives a better perspective. I don't know. watchtower. So as you walk, this place gives you like a bird eye view of the entire Luzern. So इसमें apparently देखो वो tower number 1, 2, 3 फिर और भी आगे. So yeah, पुराने ज़माने का structure-ish लग रहा है मुझे. Maybe they were using it during. See वहाँ पे अंदर पर एक garden है. How cute, right? इनके fountains बड़े quirky है. And then with this है ना सुंदर. So this is the clock tower. ये सारा लगता है पता नहीं क्या लिखते हैं लोग. अंग्रेजी में काफ़ी जगह पे कुछ लिखा नहीं है बट वापस आ गए Chapel Bridge area में towards station. Hello, so that is it about Luzern. So day 1 पे भी anyways did Chapel Bridge, which was good because second day पे Pilates के बाद it can get exhausting with all the hiking and stuff. So day 2 पे you saw we covered all the like major places that we could have. So Luzern भी ऐसे छोटा cute city town है. Of course, if there's more that you want to travel, you can definitely look up Klook or any such places to see what all day trips or city tours are they offering. But this was all self-planned. It was amazing. All the entry fee and all the details that you would need are already in this vlog. So yes, that's the end of Luzern, and next up is going to be even more interesting because we went to Interlaken. So stay tuned for that one, and yeah, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.